Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to go live on Facebook, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to go live on Facebook. In this video I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Facebook app from your mobile phone. Now you have to click on what's on your mind option in front of your profile icon. Here you have to choose live video option from the list. Here you can tag your friends and family. You can also add description here. You can also use stickers and effects on your video. After manage all settings according to your requirements, you have to click on go live option. After 3 seconds your live video will be started. And now you can see your video is started. This is the easy and simple way to go live on Facebook. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.